There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished into thin air, never to be seen again. Never to be seen again. Never to be seen again. Seen again.
How are you doing? So oh my god, I'm suffering from such a horrible cold. Literally, England is the worst place to live all year round just because of the bloody weather. 1 minute it's snowing, 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's hailing, you know what I mean? Yes, anyways guys, so this hair is from MyFirstWigs. I did do a previous video before, but I absolutely messed up this bit, so I had to salvage it. So can you see? I had to salvage the front because I literally overplucked. I did, bruh, I'll show you at the end what I actually did to this wig. Terrible. Why don't I just sit there and actually learn properly? Anyways, this is from MyFirstWig.com. Tiffany. It's the improved Malaysian loose curly full wig, and it's about 20 inches. The texture is silky, but it's non-yucky. It's light brown, and basically the cap size is 1, the cap color is brown, the cap construction is glueless lace cap. Literally I have to read off this thing because it's all jargon to me. All I know is just like it's a bum wig, but I'll leave everything in the description bar below on like where you can purchase it and the actual full deets about it. I must say this hair does shed a bit, but it's because I keep tangling it everywhere. Boy, what is wrong with me? I keep tangling it all the time, but it's so buff. I've washed it twice. I even put my radiator to dry. Shh. But yeah, and it still came out bomb. Literally, this hair is absolute bomb. I used, because with MyFirstWig they give you like a packaging and then it comes with all the little clips and stuff like that. So I used the band to just like, you know, do the ear to ear business, so that this can lay flat. That's the key to having your wigs lay flat, to actually have the elastic band. I learned that last week people. So yeah, and then I just used the got2b glued freezing spray and glue this thing down, and it is bomb and it's popping. So guys, literally this hair is what you call fire to a next level. This hair is what you call Lashante, you know, Tay Hacker, that girl, you know that girl, that one. Her level of fierceness, literally guys. And the parting is bomb. Like, I didn't have to like dye anything. What's that with? Yeah, dye any I didn't have to like dye anything. I just put it on my hair. Like, not everybody has time to sit there and do color volume developer 1, 2, 3, 40 or whatever it is. So just popped it on and it's ready to go. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching my tutorial on this beautiful bomb wig. Definitely check out MyFirstWig, because if you're a beginner, this is definitely the place to go. It's just lovely. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.